6'1", 195.
This is my man right here. He about to come up. Yeah, with his shirt off and the red pants. This is my man right here. Real nigga. You know what I mean? He gonna treat this nigga. Watch he treat him, y'all.
You called out the wrong nigga, man. You called the wrong nigga, man. You know what's crazy? You have a
This the one, Rizzy. That nigga called you out. Hey, Rizzy called you out.
All this shit tomorrow. Bitch nigga, it's tomorrow. You ain't got no other ring to go to. None of that practice shit. It's tomorrow, bitch nigga. You can't run tomorrow, bitch nigga. You can't tomorrow. You can't run nowhere, nigga. You can't run nowhere, nigga. You right. You right. You right. Yeah, I need scared up for this bitch.
Security old as fuck. Security got the George Jefferson. Hey yo, y'all seen security though? They got somebody grandpop as security. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at security. He got the George Jefferson up in his bitch. Gilly like, where the fuck your old ass at, nigga?